All right, Lena, sir. No, no. Me didn't have a good day this morning, Me wake up and me pray, and, me just I play me Christian music, and I sing to it, and I feel good. And, me step out, and me go at evening service, right? So, me see Sister Beverly. She come open at my face in the lobby. Me did think she just greet me and I say hi and everything. She come up in her face and say if me have a $3 for your stocking, she buy for me the day when my stocking rip when we did their soul winning. In front of Sister Thompson, Sister Kenya, Sister Leslie and Sister McIntosh. So I said, excuse you. So I try to me hold back because me did angry. Right up front, me did I just go blaze her, but me said no, me pull back because me there in the house of the Lord. So me don't want to act up, sir. So me said, oh my gosh, me forget. Me never know you should have remind me when we did there in the dollar store. Me just pick up one stock and give back to you, and a dollar, a really dollar she let me, Me don't understand when she come about $3. Anyways, so me say, oh, okay. She said, we can't jump in a car and she drive me a bank machine if we go get money. I said, oh my gosh. The church, or your Christian brother, your Christian sister can pick up one stocking and your stocking rip. I saw time on. Anyway, so me did so mad, She just killed me mood. Me did like a good mood. Me wake up in the morning feeling nice. I listen to me Christian music and me go to church and this is what me see. So anyways, me say alright, me go in a car. But me just feel so hurt, she hurt me. She really hurt me, So anyways, so me say, alright, so we go at back machine, we go at back machine. And me just get so embarrassed because me can't decline me queen for $20 for give her. But she just make me feel so bad about this. And me just have to go, me don't know if it do, everybody look at me. Me can't tell them I don't have no money. So me just go in the back machine and me stand up there, me don't know what to say, me don't know what to do. We just stand up there. And she wait in a car, me say I them appear upon me from the car. So me say, oh God, what me I go do? So I turn around, me say, one Indian man, I stand up by the machine. And me say, oh God, you know what happened? The machine take me money. He tell me, say, go give me my money. And then not give me the money. So me say, oh my God, sir, you can't let me $3 for go. You can't let me $3 for go buying bus. To get home, I have no way to get home, and the machine hold me money, He never man look for me. Me don't know if he speak English. But him said $3. I said, yes, $3, sir. And I said, all right, and give me $3. I said, oh God, yes, they feel good now. So I run out I car and I said, all right, your $3 drop me home. Because, you check me out here. Me just happy she did, because me never have no money. Me glad she did me the day in her car. So she dropped me home. But, me just feel so bad. After, say, my Christian sister would do those things to me. You know what I mean? Because, how much time, our times is hard right now. So, she think, me just stay home and me just cry. Me cry all night. Me think to myself, Lord, why would this happen to me? And you know what come to me? Say, she smell her arm and think a charm. That's all, Some people just think that they have a little thing and they can't help you out and for them to embarrass you in front of people. That's not good. That's not good for her to do that. And I'm going to tell her, I'm going to call her myself because I am a distinguished woman. I don't get embarrassed so easy, And me just so upset, Lena. But, me pray, me feel better when we wake up in the morning. So I just want to share that with you. Not many people take advantage of you and make you feel small. When people are asked if they do things for you, say no. I don't want it. Because after them come back and them try to embarrass you in front of everybody, in front of God's people and the house of the Lord. So that's not right, All right, Lena, I go put on some cold food right now, and just relax myself and, just pray. All right, so we talk to you later. Bye.